I could do that for you. I'm going to break it down in these simple steps. Step 1, make sure the unicycle is in the dead zone, which means it won't move if you step on it. This is the dead zone. Whereas this, hold up, nah, that's gonna mutilate me. If you step on it, then it's gonna slip from under you. Dead zone. Step 2, make sure your head is leaning in the middle of the wheel, like the head, like if your head was a saw, I could cut the wheel in half. And then once you do that, remember the unicycle is one with you. Just stand up and then don't do that. Okay, as I was saying now, I do this and then stand up and then stand up straight and then bam. Whew. Now you're free mounting. It's not that hard once you get used to it. Yeah, you won't be able to get it the first time, but once you get used to it, you'll be able to. If you're still not comfortable with that, grab onto a wall or something, and then just practice the motion of rough idling. So like this. Make sure now this is the part where you got to decide between if you want to do like small miniature pedals or big pedals. All right, that's all I got.